Hey there, welcome to Real Women Real Results, where our clients share their body transformation success stories through our 90-day weight gain transformation program.
Meet Ayushi. She gained 5.5 close to 6 kgs in just 3 months. And she can now comfortably wear sleeveless. Her pants are getting tighter. She had to donate so many jeans now because she can't fit into them. And she just can't believe that, in just these months, her mindset has completely changed. Her mindset has shifted to self care, more appetite, more strength, more confidence. Her skin is glowing. Like, she used to have so many pimples, now she doesn't have any. So imagine skin, hair, strength, confidence, so many things have changed. She couldn't believe her before afters as well. If you don't believe me, check out her amazing transformation yourself.
So first of all, congratulations, gaining 5.5 kgs, I believe.
Almost. Yeah, I'd say, yeah, roughly. Yeah.
Yes, so happy. How do you feel getting here? You've come a long
It's
way.
good. Honestly, like I think the most important thing for me out of like more than gaining weight was my mindset. And I literally just replied back in the group saying that one thing that motivates me now is just my future self and what I want to see. And that is what is keeping me going every day when I wake up. So it feels great. I think I'm just very proud of myself. More than the weight, I think is the mindset shift that has really impressed me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Insane. Crazy, Ayushi. And I
Yeah.
remember you were only able to eat like 3 meals, but now that you're doing like 5 meals, 4.5, how do you feel? I mean, your appetite has improved, do you think?
I think what has really helped me lately, and I would say like I've changed it over the past couple of weeks, but what has changed for me was the fact that the smoothie really helped me. Plus, eating in small portions. I was the most scared about having so much protein and not like in food, but more so like the protein shake that I drink.
Yeah,
Because I have like super sensitive skin. I have acne prone skin, and
that's
I
what.
get it around my periods, but like usually I used to have it all the time and I don't have it anymore. I was blown away by the fact that even after eating so much protein, my skin is still not acting up.
Yeah. Great, Ayushi.
Yeah.
And in terms of physical aspects, where do you see the difference?
I see my lower body, of course, I see the difference. But my friends, actually, who are in India, and I talk to them, she actually last week she told me that your face looks very like comparatively full, and I was like, and I was talking to her after a long time, like it was a video call. So she noticed and she told me, I was like, no, 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 and she's like, no, 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 I noticed that your face has been fuller, but like personally, I feel like my lower body is where I see this trend, shoulder a little bit, and probably like my cheeks. I don't know if
Yeah.
that's
Yeah, that's
yeah.
exactly what I noticed. Perfect. So do you feel a
Okay.
little more confident, like in general, wearing certain type of clothes or like just confidence in general?
Yes, for sure. Since I've been noticing the few messages in the group and those
Yeah.
pictures, I actually shared it with my roommate as well, and I was
Okay.
showing her that this
Mm-hmm.
female had gut issues and thyroid, and she still managed to look like this. So I don't know
Yeah,
what's stopping me from doing that.
exactly. In terms of strength and energy, where do you see the difference?
I think gym wise, like workout wise, I have seen a lot of improvement. Initially, I still remember the first 2 3 weeks when I started doing push-ups, especially that's where I've seen the major difference. Of course, like lifting weights, yes, I've been increasing, but majorly push-ups, I still remember I was barely able to do like 10 even with my
Hmm.
knees down, but now I'm able to like do it without any support. I cannot go like as down, but I still seen improvement over like if I compare it from the first few weeks. So I think that has improved. My lower body strength, I had no idea I had that strength in my lower body. Upper body still needs a lot of, not a lot of, but like yes, it will get better eventually with time. But immense strength. Like I've noticed, like if I have enough
So
sleep, if I'm
nice.
sleeping enough, if I'm eating properly, it definitely shows up when I'm working out.
Yeah, lovely. And fatigueness has not been there. Do you think you've been more energetic throughout the day?
No, so I'll tell you one major difference that I've noticed since started working out. I always used to take an afternoon nap after my work. So like probably like 2-3 hours I used to sleep after work. Used to have my dinner and go to sleep again. I have, let's just say, like every probably 1 or 2 days in every 10 days is while where I'll sleep just probably for like 45 minutes and that's it.
Crazy.
Very lethargic. My lifestyle was very lethargic, very laid back, very lazy. I don't do that anymore.
To summarize, it's your body has improved, energy has improved, strength has gotten better, appetite has improved. So I think we've
Yes,
literally mastered everything. Yeah.
I know.
So how do you think your mindset has changed? Like, in what ways would you say it has changed?
I think it's the fact that you're mature in your mind, meaning that okay, whatever you're eating, let's just say even if I'm eating outside, there are days, I'm not saying that I don't eat outside, but then how I make sure that even if I'm eating like noodles, why can't I eat chicken noodles? So that's there's protein in it. So I think those small changes is something that I've noticed. I make sure that I at least have like 3 meals a day plus my protein shake. And now I've been like, because I recently talked to you and you told me how this another female, she used to take this sweet potato as a pre-workout meal. So I was like, how can I incorporate that? So now past 2 days my mind is going, okay, what if I wake up early? What if I finish my breakfast around 10? What
Yeah.
if like I shift my timing a little bit more in the morning so that I have time to eat more in the evening? So
Yeah.
that's what like I feel like my focus is now around that piece, which is
That is so
amazing.
nice. Okay, perfect. So how was your overall experience with me as your coach so far? I'm sure we don't stop here. But how was the team, me as your coach, and now that you have another coach as well? So how does that make you feel?
Honestly, amazing. And I think the best thing that I got out of this was the fact that it's not about the kgs, it's about, again, like I think I've said it 1,000 times already, but it's the mindset shift and the fact that even after these 3 months it doesn't stop here, because we need to understand that we are losing muscle mass every year and we need to stay healthy, and this should be a lifestyle instead of, yes, we'll reach our goal eventually one day, but it should not stop even there. Like
Yeah.
there should be physical activity daily. So I think those small things that has been like incorporated in my mind over the last couple of weeks has been really inspiring, motivating, and especially like when you share all those stories in the other group has been like really inspiring, and how you work with working females who have like kids. And honestly, like I feel like when I look at those stories, I'm like, I have nothing, like no responsibilities whatsoever, and these
Yeah.
females have like an entire family. They work, they do everything, and this is what they are doing. So I think it's very inspiring. So more than the
Yeah.
kgs, it's more so like amazing as to like how everybody is holding hands together and just walking forward. So that has been
Yeah.
like
That's so sweet.
very inspiring. Like what, like one thing that is that I'll take away eventually one day would be just the story of how you've been working with these female and how inspiring that is.
Yeah. That is so sweet, Ayush.
Like I always share like your stories and everything with my friends, and I cannot even imagine. I think you gained 15 plus kgs in what, 12 months, a
Yeah,
year,
in a year.
15 months.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't know how you did it, but like 15 plus kgs is like, wow, amazing. That
Yeah.
means like
It
probably not skipping any of those things that you're
no.
teaching everybody.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Everyone is there for to support you. I hope that accountability is helping you.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Perfect.
100%.
Great, Ayushi. So I'm just too proud of you.
Hi, I'm Niyati Chauhan, a certified fitness coach and a weight gain specialist. We've helped transform hundreds of busy working women globally through Fitnia's 90-day weight gain transformation program. If her story inspired you, then there are dozens of stories in our Real Women, Real Results playlist. Binge watch them, get inspired, and if you're ready to transform yourself in just 90 days, then click the link below to book a one-on-one consultation call with us and get started today.